Hello guys, welcome to a video today. We are going to be showing you, first of all, I'm going to be showing you my stuff and my fit. Where I can't equip, I don't know how to equip stuff. But the stuff I own, I do own some stuff. That's what I look like up there, bro. That is not me, bro. I got the real drip right now. Low key, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna be showing you what my guy looks like, what today's goal is, and why. So, the day's goal is getting one thing. I want this. Now, then I can have everything. And it costs a lot of money, but I already have about half. I do need much more than half. So I'm gonna be going to Metro, and after that, I'm gonna be making some content with some of my friends if they want to join. But if not, I'm gonna be going to different servers and asking people if they do want to make a video with me. And if they do, as you know, they will be in a video, and I'll make a fan code sometime. But that fan code will not be coming out for like 10 days at most, if this video even does get released. Alright, let's check. 2. Okay, that's not that much. If you guys didn't know, I really do like singing when I do these adventures, but I just realized the consequences of singing a copywritten song. You can get completely taken off the platform if you accidentally sing a song that you didn't know was copyrighted. Like, you can get completely wiped off the platform for like 20 to 30 words that are like slightly more like melody-ish, you know? What I mean, if you make up a song that's already been sung, you know, and somebody copyrighted it, then you are cooked. Which I did not know, and so I'm just gonna be talking to you guys. I haven't been killing stuff because there hasn't been stuff, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, this machine gun is really, really good. But I just gotta make sure, like, I remember to refuel it every now and then. But since there's other people, like, there's always a good way to get money, so. Because people have taught me how to play this game, they've taught me how to get money, you know. I didn't even have a mech for 30 minutes. Now I have a almost fully finished mech. Just needed one more piece, and I'm grinding for that piece right now. How far I've come in how little. I've only been making videos for a day. Been playing for 2. Only been making videos on this game for 1 day. Been playing on this game for 2. So that would make more sense. Oh gosh. Come on. He dropped nothing. Are we serious? Oh, crab apples. Oh. So, you can also make sure you don't get copywritten by singing completely incorrect lyrics. So usually I won't be copywritten. Because first of all, small creator luck. Second of all, if I do turn into a big creator, I can remove this stuff, you know? It's not like I'm gonna use it that much. Like, I'm trying to get money, I'm not trying to... Alright, so, well, I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but I think we're gonna be, uh-oh, that is not good, I went the wrong way, back up, you know what, I kind of feel safe around the zombies noises. So, if you didn't know, this game's Zombunk 2, basically. A lot of people like Zombunk, but Zombunk is mid, you know? In comparison to this game, you get a whole mech. By the way, this is not a paid promotion, it's my honest opinion. Like, you could have a mech, or you could have a weapon. Sure, I will admit, Zombunk is a lot more realistic, because I don't think there would be a mech in real life, just saying, but it's a lot less fun, is what I will also say. Oh, sometimes I forget. Even your favorite people sometimes forget something. Unless you have picture-perfect memory, you're probably not gonna remember everything you see and everything you know. You know, it's pretty hard, I'm pretty sure. That guy's impossible to kill, we're not doing that today. Even though they give you so much money. Come on, man. Come on now. So. Dang it, man. So I think that gave me like 20, maybe, if I did pick it up. If not, holy lucky. I just need $200 more. Boink. That gives you 5. Yo, I kind of feel bad for those rats. They have to run around knowing they're gonna die soon by a really weak person. I think they're strong because the power increase in their mechs, you know? But, you know, the thing I like most about Titanfall was their mechs, like a lot of people, because the mechs were probably the coolest part. And a lot of people play the mech only part of the game, which, yes, there is a portion of that. But this game, you know, Titanfall 2, Part 2, VR port, you know, that's basically what this is, in my opinion. Like, you get a mech. Sure, it's customizable, which isn't in the other games, but it's a mech, you know. Titanfall's main gimmick was mechs. 124. Alright, let's see if we can get that up to 224. That's what I need. Not actually, I need a little less than 224. Like 2, you know? 200. Anyways, we're doing pretty good, I think, for the money part. I just like posting videos. It's fun. You know, this is bad content. If I went to Streamer University or something, everybody would say this is horrible content, like dog poop, you know? But it's not. My content is really just for the fun of it. And I also just love seeing, like, I put in low effort mainly because this is a thing I do for fun. And I will never leave out a boring part because I'm mean. I'm really, really bad at editing. I'm really bad at editing too. So, yeah, I am probably not gonna put in high effort because I really don't know how to. I love video, like, I love making content and I have ideas, but they usually have to have friends involved. And maybe if I get enough subs, I'll be able to do that, but it's easier to play a game with progression-based gameplay than a game that doesn't. I might switch to console gaming if you guys want to see that. Nothing. I'm sorry. That might have confused a few people, but I just remembered something that I'm gonna do, and you guys are gonna be devastated. Yeah, because I don't know, I feel like it. I know, guys, I'm thinking of, like, switching to Meta Horizons content. You know, the knockoff Roblox content. I'm gonna switch to that stuff. I know not a lot of people like Meta Horizons, but low-key, it's better than Roblox. I'm just kidding. August Fools, by the way. I know it's not April Fools, but I've just felt like it. You know. Because I'm going to turn into polyester Spider-Man. Spider-Man does whatever polyester can. Do. Cause he is polyester Spooderman. Do. Have enough for those really cool amounts. Now I'm gonna go do that. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. It's almost over. Just wanted to tell you though. Wait a sec, gotta go and backtrack because I wanna. Okay, I'm very sorry. Must record this or I'm not gonna be happy because I wanted to tell you. Oh, that doesn't rhyme. I want to like make an outro theme, but this is definitely not good enough. So, polyester Spider-Man. Spooderman. Does whatever your mother can. Do. Does whatever your mama can. Hey guys, HHC back. Alright, you guys can hear me? You can see me? You're watching? What's happening? What's happening is monumental. Oh. Okay, you'll experience lag once you look at adventure, because there's a whole map over at adventure. They're not really good at like putting that down, especially when you're recording. Let's see, 190. Okay, thankfully I had money before, so I should have enough, I'm pretty sure. Hey guys, Maui's back. Nah, Maui bar too, totally. Oh, I gotta get more colors. I can only roll twice, but I want like a blue at least. Definitely, that's Sigma, boys. Yeah, this one is for my mother. Tungsten steel is my favorite steel. I told you, mama, I wanted to go Oh, this is so tough, though. I can get any of those, really, at any time. Cargo? Yeah, that one's better. That one's best. Oh, okay, so I own one of everything, and I have it on that guy. Okay. We got that guy fully done. So now this guy is better. Somehow. He has so much health now. You guys have no reason to question why. I'm gonna teach you how to fly. So this is a old tag mechanic that this game was based off of, and I'm pretty sure they just left it in because why would they keep a tag mechanic in? Like, in my opinion, kind of dumb. But it was a really cool mechanic where you could glide. All you have to do is press your triggers right here so you look like this, your arms look like this, hop off, put your hands up, and then you can glide around. It's really good paired with a mech grapple hook and just a regular grapple hook because it'll work really well. You don't even have to do that, I just figured it works better for when you're looking at that. I'm gonna try getting my whole body blue. Let's see how that turns out. Do we have any more blues? Yes, we do. Okay, it's okay. I don't like it that much, but it's okay. Now, we gotta change this. That look good? 2. Bad news, we're poor. Mainly, but I'm poor. I'm poor. The bluer one? Nice. Please blue. I need blue. I said I need blue. It's not gonna look good on any of those. Alright, Anyways, I'm gonna buy so many of those. It's gonna be depressing for you guys, not for me. I'm gonna have a lot left, you know. But with this, that's money. $1. Ow, ow. Guys, if you do enjoy this content, please sub. My goal is to get monetized. I'm sure that's in a while. I still want to get monetized. It's my dream, not having to work, you know, because I'm lazy as heck. I'm lazier than a fridge, guys, you know. And a fridge doesn't even have a brain, so it has to be quite lazy. At least I'm pretty sure that's how it works. You know, being lazy, I would not say that's good. But helping people out, you know, helping out a fellow brother that wants to be a full-time content creator because I don't have a job because I can't get a job yet because I am too young. So, full-time content creator, but if I can retire my parents because I content created enough, that would be amazing, because if my parents could retire, I could, like, have better time. But what I want to do is make good content, but I don't know how to, because all these big content creators are creative. That's a thing that they have that I don't have, which means I gotta keep making content. Keep hoping it's creative. Cross your fingers and hope to have creativity or something, you know? Wait. Let's see what does it get? Blue! I knew it. Let's go! Polyester Spider-Man! Yeah! Holy brain rotted. I'm sorry. Anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, like, truly, if you enjoyed this video, please consider doing one thing. And I'm gonna do the outro right here. It's easier. Please, if you did enjoy this video, which I don't think a lot of people will because it's kind of boring, please consider subbing. Like, it helps me more than it helps you, and it's just a button, but you have to enjoy it. Please don't if you didn't enjoy it. I'm trying to get honest subs, no begging, only if you enjoyed it. Don't if you didn't. Okay, that's it. Do you hit it? Do you enjoy this? Do you not enjoy it? I don't know. You say what you did or didn't do. I don't know. I'm not you. Anyways, guys, hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so the reason why I do that every time, I'm trying to make it look like an outro, but I'm trying to press a button, but I always miss, so just hope you did having a good day, guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you